Here's this GMC central air conditioner over here by this fish restaurant. This is a GMC. I think the model number is completely warranted off, and this is a brown unit. Man, 3 fan blades right here, and this has got this got a front compressor. It's got a big compressor down in there, and a disconnect breaker box. And this got a big cage on it, so you know people won't like steal it and stuff like that, or something else. It's got 4 of those little nuts right here. You can see there's the something, I don't know what's in here, but just like I think that's just the compressor, the fan blades, and the motor. Yeah, so man, I wish I really wanted this unit when I want my house, man. I will love this unit, man. This is a very nice unit. And I think this unit came out in 2016. Or 2017 or 2013. I don't know what year. But man, this is a really nice unit. But it's not new. It's kind of an old unit. So this has a coil. This has a big cooling coil right there. In there, you can see right here. And yep. So, thank you guys for watching. Please comment below and let me know what other units y'all want me to film. So, film or yeah. Thank y'all guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned. Peace out.